Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you delicious individual chestnut mini cakes. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing chestnut individual cakes, these are the ingredients. I have here non-stick baking cream, homemade. You already have it on my channel. Unsalted butter, a pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, room temperature eggs, granulated sugar, and cake flour. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing and individual mini cakes. So let's get started. I want to start here by showing you the non-stick baking cream that I made here at home. This non-stick baking cream, you could use it with all your baking, and believe me, nothing is going to stick to the mold. And here I have my mini chestnut mini cakes, and I'm gonna go ahead and with the little brush I am going to start brushing the inside of every single one mini chestnut cake. Look at this. When they release the mini cake, nothing is going to stick to the mold. Well, here I have the unsalted butter that is at room temperature. That means I took it out of the refrigerator 2 hours before I started making this amazing recipe. I'm adding the granulated sugar right on the top. I am going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract that, of course, you already have it on my channel. I have it here on my channel, how to make this amazing and delicious vanilla extract. Once you add all these ingredients, you're going to start by mixing it, incorporating it completely. It gets nice and creamy. The color, of course, of the butter is going to change to a very light yellow. And now I'm adding my 3 eggs. And of course, the eggs are at room temperature. And that's exactly how you want your ingredients. You want to make sure that you have all your ingredients at room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and start whisking this really good, incorporating completely the butter, the sugar, the eggs, making sure that everything is really smooth before I start sifting the cake flour. I'm going to add all the cake flour here. I'm going to add the baking powder. I'm going to add the pinch of salt. And we are going to sift away. This part is very important, because if you sift your dry ingredients, those little breads are going to come out really puffy, really moist from the inside. And it really doesn't take too long to put it through a sifter. Once this is done, you are going to incorporate it slowly so that everything is incorporated and your mini breads come out delicious and spongy. Well, I'm going to continue whisking until it's nice and creamy, and I'm doing it slow so that you see how you could really pull in all the dry ingredients slowly until it's nice and creamy the way this is. Look at this. The mixture is not runny at all. It's nice and thick, nice and creamy and fluffy, and that's exactly how you want it. I am going to help myself with a baking bag. Let me show you. These little bags, I'm going to help myself with the cup, and I'm going to pour all the mixture in here. If you don't have some of these little bags, you could spoon it in. I like using these bags because I don't make a mess on my baking dish. So now that I have everything in here, I'm going to go ahead and start turning and making sure that I have everything way on the top. Look at this. Okay, now I am ready to start filling every little space of the baking dish. I'm going to try and make everything almost the same amount on every single space so that these mini cakes really come out almost the same size. I have already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're gonna go in the oven for 19 minutes. It's very important for you to preheat your oven. I'm gonna just go ahead, tap it a little bit. I'm gonna moist my finger and I'm gonna push that down. I'm gonna do the same with every single one. And then you are ready to put it in the oven and start enjoying these amazing chestnut mini cakes. Here it is raining, and believe me, I am going to enjoy these chestnut mini cake with a delicious hot coffee. The temperature is 350. It's gonna go in the oven for 19 minutes. And I'll see you back in 19 minutes. After the 19 minutes, let me show you how they came out. This smells amazing and they're nice and fluffy. Okay, now I'm ready to show you and reveal how easy it is to get the little mini cake out of the mold. Remember, the non-stick baking cream, you already have it on my channel. Look at this. It doesn't stick, nothing stays behind, and these mini cakes come out amazing, adorable. I can't wait to enjoy. You could just have them just like that, or you could drizzle right on the top some icing sugar or powdered sugar. Look at this. They come out perfect. And here I'm just going to go ahead and add powdered sugar right on the top for the decoration. And I am ready for the presentation. But before I do the presentation, I want to show you how they look from the inside. They are really moist and fluffy. Look at this. Okay, I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with these amazing individual chestnut cakes. Look at this. Of course, it's raining outside and I'm going to enjoy this with a very nice and hot coffee. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Really soft and moist from the inside. The perfect portion to enjoy an amazing hot cocoa or hot coffee. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing mini cakes. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing chestnut mini cakes. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.